Here are quite a few pointers that I can mention when you have your own clothes made or you sew your own clothes. Let's look at the difference between having your wardrobe made to create your style or buying a wardrobe straight from a retail shop or boutique. I actually just get so excited because there is just so many pros on having your clothes made or you sewing your own clothes. Bringing in that color that you go and choose from the fabric store and you bring it home to make a garment, the color already can make a world of a difference to your confidence, your self-worthiness, your self-esteem, and your wardrobe. The benefits and advantages of you creating your own wardrobe, having it sewn for you, made up for you, or you sewing it yourself, is that you can plan your entire wardrobe with the colors, the designs, the types of material, the prints, the plains, the combination of fabrics that you want to bring together. And you are stepping out into the world and saying, here I am, this is who I am me, I'm authentic, I'm bold, and I'm myself. You are changing that psychology in your mind state of being more confident and absolutely self-aware of how you look and what kind of statement you are making out to the world. What is your message? You are creating a wardrobe that actually speaks to yourself as well as the type of position or the kind of role that you are taking in your career or your lifestyle. Creating job creation within other designers and seamstresses, keeping this industry alive. You can create more looks and more styles and be more put together, maybe creating like the whole monochromatic look or a complementary look by choosing a color that you know will just add so much more confidence to your wardrobe. And you know, color just speaks to you, and color makes you either glow. You even receive more compliments by wearing a color that you know is true to your personality and your skin tone. Let's talk about fit. When it comes to fit, you know that the garment is going to be made to fit your body proportions, your body imperfections, your body height, whether you're tall or petite. You can make the lengths that suit your body proportions and putting for balance on your body shape because you've taken the right lengths to make the garments that fit you properly. The design and the style will fit you. So let's say the neckline is too low in a pattern and you want to make it slightly higher, you can just adapt and adjust the pattern. Or whether you want it a little bit more sexier, you can always lower it. If the sleeve is 3/4 length and 3/4 just chops your arm, makes your arm look short, you can either make that sleeve much longer or make it shorter. So now you are already doing the alterations and adjusting in your patterns and designs right from the beginning go when you are making your own garments or someone's making it for you. Being a fashion entrepreneur for all these years, yes, I have my entire collection of sewing patterns which you can have a look at to sew your own wardrobe or have it made up for you. It's about feeling confident in what you're wearing and bringing out your own colors, the design, the pattern, the texture of the pattern, the texture of the fabric or the prints or the plain, or combining it, creating you. Hi there, my name is Tania Sutherland, and it's all about dressing the part and looking absolutely amazing and getting more confidence in the way that you dress. Sharing the video and giving me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button. I talk about business, being an entrepreneur, about designing, about being a brand ambassador. Don't forget to press the subscribe button down below and leave some comments. I would love to come back to you and engage with you. The designs will be a design that is flattering to your body shape. You'll enhance the areas you do want to, and obviously to hide and disguise the other areas that you don't with a particular design and style. And I'm very excited to share with you that I'm busy working on, it's a little book, but a massive life-changing reinventing yourself through discovering your style. Are you ready to invest in your self-image? your style and your confidence and self-awareness, and shifting it also into manifesting what it is that you want. Then if this is something that you are absolutely interested in, then please leave a comment down below in the comment box that I can actually connect with you. So designs and styles, you are sewing and designing them to suit your lifestyle, your career, your look, your personality, your body shape, the different kind of functions you have in your life. You are actually planning and preparing this wardrobe that is unique and custom fit to you, whether you're sewing it or whether you're sourcing it out to a seamstress or a designer making it for you. By having clothes that fit you, I don't even have to tell you this, you know how amazing you feel when you walk out the door, or you walk into a networking function or into a company or whatever event that you are walking into. You are showing up, you are well put together, and you feel good. And maybe you're the kind of person that likes to make a statement and look absolutely amazing and be noticed when you walk in, or you want to blend in but be softly noticed. And people can see that you are so well put together by the way that everything fits correctly, the colors, the combination, the design, how it suits your body. Without a doubt, people will compliment you and notice that there's something different about you. You stand out, you're unique, you are yourself, you're bold. Isn't that amazing? All right, okay, creating your wardrobe. You sewing and planning and designing your own wardrobe or having it made for you, you could basically plan and create this entire look. You could reinvent your look. You can do a whole transformation with your look. You could be coming through a divorce and now you've just refound yourself again. You've discovered yourself again, and you want to create this new you. You want to become alive again and become whole and let the world know that I'm here, I'm back in a better version of me. And you're creating this new wardrobe. You can plan and budget, creating this wardrobe that merges and fits together with your casual, with your workwear, with your events. You can actually create this wardrobe for your lifestyle. All right, let's flip the coin. The shops are full of the latest trend and the latest color. So wherever you go, that fashion trend just hits all the shops, and wherever you go, it's the same color or very similar trend, and you know that it's either not in your, you've either outgrown that look, or you've worn that look so much 10 years ago or 20 years ago, or even 30 years ago, that you really don't want to wear it again. The new younger generation go, oh wow, it's so amazing, but you've kind of worn that look to death when you were younger, and now they've brought it back again. There's a color that just doesn't suit you. It doesn't work with your wardrobe. So you're kind of stuck, or you end up buying what's in the shops because you kind of get sucked in that whole consumer marketing, that's the latest color, it's the latest trend. You got to fit in, you got to be like everybody else, and you go and buy the same color, the same look. The chances are you could meet someone at a function wearing the same outfit or something very similar in perhaps even the same color. So now I know we're all unique and we have our own way of putting things together. But I like to stay unique. I don't want to wear something that someone else is wearing. The thing about buying clothes in the shops is it's very seasonal and fast fashion sort of set out with the designs. So when you buy something, by next season's most likely already outdated. This whole quick, fast fashion makes you have to have a new wardrobe every season or every few months. And the thing is that very practical? Do you need to have so many clothes? Do you go to so many events? And is your wardrobe big enough to have so much of these different clothes? If you want to stay with the trends, that means you've got to keep on buying new clothes every month, every season, just to update all the time. And the chances are you're going to be sucked up buying clothes and colors that don't really suit you. And do they really mix and match with the rest of your wardrobe? The other thing is, how well does it fit you? Getting back to the fit. chances are it might be too long in certain areas of the body or too short in some areas. So you would need, it's about the fit, having it altered. It could be the colors you don't really like. Does that particular trend, that particular season, does it really fit in with your wardrobe? You might be able to buy 1 or 2 pieces that you know that you can complement the rest of your wardrobe that you already have at the moment. My experience about going shopping, I very seldom find something that I absolutely love and want to bring home. I end up buying a lot of pair of jeans. And even when I buy a pair of jeans, they don't always fit me properly. Then I still come home to my studio, and then I tend to alter them. I change them. I add new beadwork to it. I add more embellishment to it. I add sort of sequins and lace onto it just to make it look like a designer pair of jeans, because to me it's just too plain. Or the leg is too tapered, then I will do an alteration to the leg to make it slightly more bootleg or more straight, or add a godet into it. So I very seldom can buy something and know I will wear it just like that, because to me it might be just too plain in the shops, because the shops tend to be more about commercialized. It's not an individual designer look. It's more about supplying for the masses, unless you are ordering from haute couture, top designer house brands, which costs an absolute fortune. And how often can you wear it? Because that goes out of season so often. Unless you know how to really style your clothes and to mix them all together, that you can still wear something old and new, which is nothing wrong with that. I love doing that. But that depends on your budget and your lifestyle of what works for you. So weighing up the two, making your own clothes, having it made, or sewing it yourself to buying, I really think there's a big difference. The other aspect of when you are making your own clothes, there's something about it that you are developing a skill. You're becoming a master at creating something so beautiful and bringing in your creativity through your designs and making your garments for yourself. You are bringing your uniqueness out, which is individual. You are becoming authentic to who you are. It's almost like you're aligning with your soul. You're connecting with who you are. And to me, that alone, it just shifts. It's like a more of a holistic approach of fashion, of you being true to who you are. And to me, that counts. To me, that means more than just buying a garment off the shelf that I know that 10 other people have bought the same thing the last hour, and I could bump into them wearing the same thing. It doesn't make me feel unique and stand out. So maybe I'm biased, but I do prefer designing and making my own clothes, or having my clothes made. Oh, before I forget, I do have an affiliate program with all my pattern collections and my courses. I'll leave the link down below. I would love to pay you to generate more income, to add these products to your website and into your business, that you can grow your business, have much more to offer to your clients as well as for yourself.